Hello! In this video, we are going to install NAKIVO Backup and Replication on a Windows operating system. If you want to install a free trial, go to nakivo.com, click Start Free Trial, complete the form, and download the installer for Windows. The free trial gives you 15 days of access to the full enterprise functionality in NAKIVO Backup and Replication. Select Windows Installer and click Download. Once the file download is completed, open the installer. Choose the installation type: full solution, multi-tenant solution, or transporter only. Optionally, you can select to create a backup repository. Clicking More Options allows you to define the installation path. You can also define the director UI and transporter ports. Select a transporter certificate if needed. Choose whether to send daily support bundles during evaluation. Accept the license agreement and click Install. After the installation is finished successfully, click Finish and Open to open the web interface of NAKIVO Backup and Replication. Accept the self-signed certificate, which you can replace later, and proceed with creating the local admin account. Enter your name, username, email address, and password. Then, click Create Account to open the configuration wizard. Add the environment you would like to protect to the inventory using the wizard and click Next. Let's select Virtual and choose VMware vCenter or ESXi host. At the Options step, enter the required data to add the selected item. We have to enter a displayed name, the vCenter IP address, username, and password. Click Finish. You can find more videos on how to add other environments in the description. The vCenter server has been added successfully. Click Next to add nodes, such as transporters. Read the explanation and click Got it. Then, you can deploy new transporters or add existing transporters. The onboard transporter is installed by default. Click Next. Finally, add backup repositories. The onboard repository is used by default. Click Finish. And this concludes our video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to catch new uploads. You can also visit the NAKIVO website to download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.